Are you going to start any other channels, do you reckon, in the future?
Yeah.
Long term?
Oh, yeah.
I want a podcast channel?
How do you do a podcast?
Would you do a podcast?
Me, mini minute.
Would you just start a podcast with someone else?
All we're going to talk about is boobs.
To be fair, that's what we do. That's what we do anyway.
I'm not doing this podcast.
yeah. It's going to be
Why don't you start a channel where you make Lego?
That'd be sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do that then. If you don't want to do that, we'll do that.
If you don't want to do the boob cast with me, you can do your little Lego project.
Why don't we call it YouBoob?
That's such a weird thing to say to me, considering.
Or BoobTube.
Never mind. BoobTube's brilliant. That's probably already a thing.
Don't pull that up, James.
Yeah.
I said don't pull that up, and I mean it.
Yeah. Yeah, group channel, long term. Like, I'm going to move to Brighton next year.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
What's wrong with Nottingham?
Nothing's wrong. I like Nottingham. I want to still have my office and room there. I just want to have my HQ there. While all my other friends like go off to uni and stuff, I want to go down there. I want to like.
Okay.
What are you thinking about uni?
Nah, I'm going to do college, get me a little diploma, and then I'll come down to Brighton and do some YouTube videos. But I think group channel podcast with that. I've got some other little plans for like channels and stuff, but I don't think like making a new channel is this big thing it used to be.
It's not at all.
It's not.
Everyone's got about 5 channels.
You guys have dropped quite a few channels though.
You don't have a shorts channel, do you?
No.
Any particular reason?
Do you want me to go into it? I'll go into it.
Yeah, go on, go for it.
Is it?
Yeah.
What? I saw that.
I saw that. I'm starting to get scared.
Have you seen when lions just start hunting their prey?
Yeah, or cats.
Yeah,
and they lower their head.
Yeah, and then they pass.
I am audio listeners. I am just a big lion. I noticed when I was thinking about it. I spoke to Dream quite a lot as well. I have like a weekly call with Dream where we just talk about YouTube and help each other out, which is him 98% helping me and me 2% helping me. Like the sort of conclusion was, if you, the creator, makes the clips of yourself, that like it will get more views short term. Like if I make a clip of like TommyInnit just kills a woman, feels good, which I did. Like I had a little clips channel before everyone started doing them.
Nice. Was that actually a clip?
No, I would never say that. That's very sexist. But no, like if the creator makes it, it's really good for so like for example, with Schlatt, do you know Schlatt? Jay Schlatt? Yeah. He made a clips channel, and at the before that, all my recommended was Jay Schlatt clips things, and then he sort of monopolizes the market, which is good because he has like a 16 mil view clip and stuff, and it's crazy for like 4 months, and then he runs out of clips, and then no hate Schlatt or anything, by the way, but and then after he does that, now my it's fine. I had like 4 months of watching it, but then you get a bit tired of it because he's pumping them out, getting all the views, and now I have no Jay Schlatt compilations in my recommended. So I'd much rather just keep it to the viewers, let them monetize all of my wrongdoings, and just let them do all the clip stuff. And it just, I don't know, this whole like shorts thing that everyone's pushing, the like I'm fucking nerding out. This is okay.
Keep going.
The TikTok algorithm is one of the best ever, like considerably better than YouTube.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And I'd already got like a couple million on TikTok when it was the big, like everyone started making shorts channels. And other than like George Not Found, no one was trying to be big on TikTok, and it's quite a big like diversification of audience. So a lot more people, there's like going to be loads of people that would watch my TikToks that wouldn't watch any of my YouTube stuff, which is weird. And so I just kind of kept going with that. But shorts channels are good. They're not bad, but it's like the whole clips channel. Like I think there's a difference between a shorts channel and a clips channel, because the shorts channel is where like he's like what Mr. Beast does, where it's like unique videos for that, and they're good and they make sense. It's just I think you get more gains on TikTok.
Yeah.
But the clips channels, I don't know. I think they don't sustain very long. So they weren't for me.
I feel that. I mean, I have one, but I know what you mean.
Well, your clips channel is different to shorts.
Did it go really up and then quite far down?
It still actually spikes. I think the thing is I put out so many videos.
Yeah, you and Harry cranked up Zerkas as well. Like his wouldn't leave my recommended for. God, I love Harry's.
But I mean, I still put out so many videos, and I still have like. I mean, the whole thing is that's clips. That's only.
But they're like 1 hour long clips. Why?
That's only from stream. But then I have a shorts channel as well. So
that's 900k.
Yeah.
So minute to clips is just clips from Twitch. So highlights, whereas shorts is actually shorts.
Yeah. So my shorts
so it
channel
sort of spikes up then.
Yeah, it kind of does whatever. It takes shorts from like streams though, which are the ones that normally does best. Because, say something happens.
No, it's good. Like, it's really good to have. I don't think there's anything wrong with them at all. Like, I think it's like, but for me, I don't know. I quite like, I think it's encouraging for a lot of viewers as well. Like, I've seen a couple of channels that like start making like dumb clips of me and then videos about me, and then some guys got channel off of it, And that was a very way to say some dumb thing like, look at me, dude. I've chosen not to.
No, I get what you mean.
For the good of the people, like, fuck off.
It's the same with TikTok. Like, the amount of clips we see of like our videos on TikTok, and we don't really post them ourselves because we're just kind of like, it doesn't.
You do TikTok, man. Like your own unique ones where you just sit.
That's the thing. But as clips from old videos, it doesn't hit the same if we post it.
Yeah.
So
that's why, KSI Clips does it well, and Sidemen Clips do it well as well. So they post videos and they make the thumbnails look as if it's like a different channel. So they'll stretch it out and make it look really like low res to make it seem like it's a random video, and actually it's the overlords themselves posting it.
Yeah, that was
overlord.
Do you want to see Simon do the WAP dance?
That was our last TikTok.
No, I don't.
All right, well, don't look at the screen now because it's happening. Unlucky.
That was the last TikTok we posted.
Wow.
Do you look at this and think boomers?
I look at it and I want to hurt.
No, I think it's amazing. I think it's funny content, but
It was yeah. I always say that. I said it to you a couple of times. I was like, I'm surprised no one in like our circle does TikTok like you're doing TikTok.
That's right, isn't it? Just doing it.
But as in, I find that weird because it's huge.
I know.
So I don't know why no one.
Because people don't realize it's huge and it's like a different place as well, and it's a bit like scary to get into, and it's quite hard. Like, I've seen a lot of people like post their clips on TikTok. There's so many metas all of the time, and it's very hard to sort of diagnose what the right thing to do is. It's why people like Dream succeed so much, because they're so good at being able to think, right, what's the best way to do this, and then nail that like most of the time, and it's perfect.
I feel like age does play a part in it as well, because I'm at the point now where I don't really like.
You are old.
I am old. I'm very old.
You are very old.
But the way you're speaking about like the analytics is how I used to feel. Is like trying
when you were young.
When I was
You're
young.
old now.
I'm old now. Yeah,
so old.
I'm quite old.
I'm not old.
You know Simon's 30.
I'm young.
I'm not.
You're 30.
No, I'm not.
That's old.
No, I'm not.
You're not. Oh, sorry.
No.
Is it next year?
Yes.
You're 30 next year. What? Really?
I know. I'm old.
That was the first genuine reaction.
Wait, really?
I'm 28 right now.
What the fuck? Really?
Yeah, my birthday's in like 10 days.
You're like 10 years older than me.
I know.
Sorry for making that thing.
You are a weirdo.
I was really enjoying you just calling him old. Yeah. Because I was sat here.
You're 10 years
I
older.
deflected that real quick.
I bet you feel so like insecure right now.
Yeah, a little bit. Thanks.
No, but anyway, what I'm saying is like right now.
Sorry, you are my holiday after all. You wouldn't be such a role model to me if you were my age, Simon.
Thanks.
It's okay.
Thanks. It's okay to be old.
You truly are just a king.
No, he's sarcastic.
I'm not sarcastic ever. I don't do jokes. I'm not funny.
I'm not either.
I only tell serious things. I don't talk about things like politics.
Do you want to talk about politics?
Yes.
I don't.
Why can't we all just get along? That's what I think. What if everyone just got along and agreed to disagree? That's what I think.
It wouldn't work.
No, it would, because I would win, because I wouldn't get along.
Are you and Simon going to squash the beef?
What?
Are you and Simon going to squash the beef?
What beef?
What beef? We're just best pals hanging out and selling weed.
So now the race has ended, 10 million, what's going to happen now with you and Simon, your relationship?
What?
What the fuck?
No, I meant like, the beef, what's happened to the beef then?
I don't know. He did a little clip where he looked really sad and went, "Yes, I don't mean it hit more than me." And all the comments were like, "Wow, dude, you know what? Dude, you know what? Simon doesn't deserve this, man. He's." And I went, "Yeah, that's fair."
What? I'm confused. Who's the comments? Why are they American?
What I got from that is that you did a video saying that he won.
You don't have to do it. There was a clip on your Clips channel, right?
It was probably on stream.
Where you're
as
like,
soon as you hit
Mini
it,
Minter reacts to hitting it, and you just were like, "Yeah, sorry, innit?" I went, "Fair." And then all the comments were like, "That rat bastard, that child who's came in and ruined our vibes."
Well, I get asked I still get asked to this day.
Yeah.
Like, how do you feel about Tommy hitting 10 mil before you? And I'm like, it was a while ago. Like,
I know,
it was a while
Simon,
ago.
how do you
guys
feel about
created
me
that
hitting
thing.
10 mil before you? I think it was.
It hurts me deep down.
Oh yeah, you actually cry before bed.
You know what's really sad is
You
when
look up to the stars and listen to Radiohead.
do I sleep outside?
No, but have you heard
So
of
do I look-
Windows, Simon? God, you are such a 30-year-old man. Look, here you go.
Yeah.
Look at the tears in your eyes.
You do look like you're crying.
Do you look a bit sad there? You're right, pal.
Is it,
You're right,
is it the
mate.
video? Is it the
No,
resolution?
It was the lighting in that room.
Are you right, buddy? We can talk.
No.
You are, I am your holiday after all. We can just have a chat if you want.
I thought he was your holiday.
No. When did I say that?
About 19 times throughout the podcast.
It was, look. Oh.
See, look, but they're all backing you up here.
No, they backed me up a month after. I don't mind, dude. The internet is.
Wait, this is the worst comment. Go off a little bit, James. Yeah, bro, Simon still has so many channels. I wouldn't worry about his main channel exclusively, especially since the Simon channel has blown up. That's like a real comment, isn't
No,
it?
it's fun, man.
That's they've taken that so deep and gone like,
Here's
Simon,
the thing.
don't worry about it. Like,
The internet, like the Bo Burnham song, apathy is a tragedy and boredom is a crime. Like, I'm not here to please everyone, and it's fine if for a bit people don't like me, or for a bit they do. Like, dude, everyone can form their own opinions.
aren't you here just to get the Sidemen fans to like you?
I am actually just exclusively here as an industry plant to make the Sidemen viewers like me, and I got Randolph to buy me pizza, and then I went, thanks bitch, and then I ate his pizza and spat on
He
him.
didn't actually. He went, oh my God,
thank you very much.
thank you so much, Randolph. Thank you, Mr. Randolph, for this pizza. This is delightful.
I didn't at all do that. I went.
He did.
I didn't at all. I went, thank
Don't
you.
let him fool you.
I went, thank you. I'm not. I couldn't fool anyone.
When he's on camera,
I
he's from
actually spend
Nottingham.
all of my time manipulating people.
That doesn't shock me. Does it shock you?
I don't know what to do right now. I'm
Simon.
I don't know how to talk to him.